Hey guys, thanks so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a home decor haul slash tour of products, ideas. I'm showing you where I'm putting everything, why, because you know haul is never enough for me. I just want to share as much with you as I can, and I want to focus on creating an inspiring space with a personalized feel, and that totally is these products. I have not stopped talking about them since they came in the mail, by the way, so I'm already really excited to read your comments and talk to you guys about it. But everything is from Society 6. I will link it all below, and they have artists from all over the world. They upload their original artwork, and then you can buy it in wall art, throw blankets, pillows. There's back to school stuff. They just launched a furniture collection. Seriously, it is an insane amount of like products for home decor and for life, and a bunch of different prints in so many styles. Like regardless of the style that you have, I guarantee they have stuff for you. I am collaborating with them on this video, and as you guys know, I love to work with brands that I genuinely enjoy, that I think would really value you guys, because they just have great prices, great quality. I'm super impressed, and I just can't wait for you to check them out. So if you are new to my channel, then welcome. Please subscribe. I would love to have you. Hit the like button if you do enjoy this, and let's get started. I'm going to start small and then get into the bigger things like furniture at the end. So the very first thing is these coasters. I saw this print and I was like, okay, I love that print, but what do I want it in? So I really like that aspect. I can shop by print and see what that print is available in, or I can shop by product. And so I saw this print and I was like, okay, I don't know if I want wall art in that, but I want something. And I saw these coasters. It's a set of 4. It was only $12, by the way. And aren't those so pretty? Okay, I love that these all are different, but it's obvious that they are a set. I think that's really cool. I'm going to stick these on the coffee table. I actually really needed some coasters. I have some that are kind of random, but they're simple and plain Jane. And you guys know I need some color and print and all of that. So those were a great find. I can't wait for like people to come over and see these and say something about them, because how could you not? They are a wooden coaster and they say Society 6 on the back. So just a really simple and cute thing, especially for a gift. Like, it's a great price, but it feels like it's way more expensive than that. I was actually surprised at the price. So check those out. Those are really cool. The next item are these pillows, and you guys, this print, like, I cannot get over this print. This is the most beautiful thing I have seen in a long time. I feel like it perfectly describes my style. If this wasn't a dress, like, I would wear it as a dress. I cannot stop staring at these. And I also got the same print in a furniture item I will show you guys in a few minutes. So I love that because it's obviously like so intentional and they go together perfectly. And I just cannot stop talking about this print and staring at it. It's called the Abstract, or it's like the leaf and something prints. I can't remember exactly, but of course I will link it for you. So I have 2 of them, as you can see, and I have this 16 by 16. They also have an 18 by 18, and they do come in indoor and outdoor too. So aren't those just so pretty? I know you guys who have been watching me for a while will totally agree. Like, this is just so me. I did get another pillow. This is an 18 by 18. I think my coffee is gonna spill. Okay, so this is an 18 by 18, and this print has a longer name, but it says Trendy Girl in the title. So I was like, hi, hello, how are you? That's for me. And I think I'm going to put this in my office. I really haven't decided yet, but isn't that so pretty? It goes with this well too. Like, they're just so fun that they pop off of each other. And it's just, I love the fabric too. It's just like a strong, really durable fabric. Like, I can tell it's going to hold up really well. So that is that guy. And then I found the coolest floor pillow print, and I cannot even with these. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think of this print, because I know you're going to love it too. So this is the 30 by 30 size. I did get 2 of them. They also have a 26 by 26, and then they have square shape too if you guys want square shape. But oh my gosh, it's just so pretty and cool looking. I love that it has like the wildflowers down here, so like the feminine side, and then the mountains up here. And I just cannot even. I even said to you guys a few weeks ago that I wanted floor pillows in a cool print. I'm sure some of you remember that. So yeah, I cannot with these. I'm just so excited about them. I'm going to get into the larger wall art next. The first thing is what's behind me. I just have to talk about this first, and this looks so cool. This is a 5 by 5. They do have smaller options as well, and I know a lot of you guys have seen this wall in my house like within the last few months at least, just completely empty and blank. But with home decor, I'm not just going to fill the house to fill it. Like, I want things that I really love, and that just looks so cool. It has a template that it comes with to help you figure out where to put the holes to hang it. So it is so easy to put up. And I just love that the wood color is similar to the couches and it has some color on it, but it isn't super bold because I obviously have a lot of like really fun prints going on, so I need to have like a mellow feeling, but it isn't super simple. Like it has enough going on that I'm happy with it. And I love that there's like space on the sides of the wall too. I think it looks so cool there. And the next item is a canvas print. I'm going to show this to you guys on the wall, but I wanted to hold it just to give you like a different perspective. I have always wanted something like this, but I've never found the perfect thing. And I saw this one and I was like, that is it. So the reason I wanted this, I know this is kind of far-fetched, you guys, but honestly, this is how I think. Like, who wouldn't want to be sitting on this beach right now or sitting on a jet ski and just like enjoying this water? So when I see this every day, I think like work hard, save your money, and you will be on that beach and having a great vacation. And yeah, I know that is far-fetched for some people, like I said, but honestly, like that is what I think about. I think I want to be there and I will make it happen. I will work hard. I will have a nice vacation like that. And I just feel happy. Like the second I see this, I just feel like super relaxed. So I don't know. That's why I've always wanted something like this, honestly, but it is on the wall between the dining room and the living room. So every day I walk by it, I see it several times a day. And I just love that. I also picked out a wall mural that I put at the front door. I was thinking I'd put it like in my office or somewhere else, and I do have some left over, so I might put it on the ledge in the living room too. But they also have like a million prints to choose from in these, so many options, styles, and colors. I put this up all by myself, and honestly it was a lot easier than I was expecting it to be. So it's 8 o'clock at night. I wasn't planning on putting this up tonight, but I have a sudden burst of energy and I really want to do this, so I just laid everything out, followed the directions, put some books on the ends to flatten them out a little bit, and then I'm going to watch the video on their website and we're going to put this up. I thought it might be like a little bit finicky, but it's so easy to work with. They do have a lot of videos on their website, by the way, on like how to install different products in case you need a little help. But yeah, I used about half of it, I would say. So I think the rest of it I'm going to put either on the ceiling in the hallway or on the wall out here, like the smaller wall. I don't know, I think it looks so cool because it is very simple and plain Jane over there. I keep saying plain Jane. There's a lot of white over there and not a lot of color, and then you walk in the living room and it's like tons of color. So I wanted something to kind of like start the feel, and then I love the idea of putting the rest somewhere else because it just helps with the flow, like seeing it at the front door and then seeing it somewhere else I think is really cool. And then for the furniture, so Society 6, they launched a furniture collection, like I said. There are credenzas, coffee tables, side tables, there's benches, and I'm probably forgetting stuff, but there's a lot of like really cool options. So the very first thing that I chose are these stools. They do have two sizes. This is the counter height. They also have a bar height, and then for the base there's an option of black or gold, but I have a lot of gold, so I thought I'd do the black. And as you probably will notice, this is the same print as these pillows, which I love. I cannot wait for someone to say like, oh, that's the same as this, and I'm just like, yeah, like I thought that out. I don't know, I just think that's really cool. I'm sure some of you guys will relate and kind of feel the same way, but I'm going to use these as extra seating. Like it's like small, obviously, and extra seating, so I'm going to put these probably on the wall in the dining room. I think they're great for just like pulling up when you need them. They also are the perfect height for our island. Now obviously we have a smaller island, so I don't have like a lot of room to sit there, but I love standing at the end of the island and working on my computer. So now I can sit there and work on my computer. They also can just be wiped off, which is really cool. So if you have like small kids, you don't have to worry about standing or anything. And obviously those have like an endless option of prints too if you want a different print. I forgot to show you guys this rug that I put in front of the kitchen sink. I have been looking for a rug for this place for such a long time, but I've never found anything that really caught my eye until now, and the cabinets are an off-white with like a blue hue to them. So I think the rug looks so cute in front of the sink. Let me back up to give you guys a better angle. Here's a wider view if you are new to my channel and you've never seen my kitchen before, but I just think regardless of the season, it looks so nice. For example, the red and the orange on the rug really pop with the red and the orange right here, and then the red and the orange in the back. So regardless of this season, I think this will look so nice in here. And if you guys love floral as much as I do, they have a lot of different floral prints to choose from. I also picked out a bench, and as soon as I saw this print, I was like, this is the exact look I want in my office. I told you guys that I'm going to be redoing that room, and I haven't done a whole lot as of yet. I picked out a lot of different things online, and then I'm just waiting to make sure they all go together, and this bench perfectly goes with everything that I've already picked out. I just think it has a really sleek and chic feel to it, and then the base that I chose is gold, so I can't wait to like rework the whole room based off of that bench. And that is everything for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and spending the time with me as always. I definitely encourage you to check out Society 6 just because this is such a great way to truly have like a custom feel in your house. This stuff is easy to get, to order from their website, but it isn't available everywhere. So I just think this is like the coolest stuff. And if you are new to my channel and you've not hit that subscribe button, please subscribe. I would love to have you. Hit the like button if you did enjoy this video, and I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!